Hi guys, so we're back again at Habrough Station, level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is 15:28 on Friday the 27th of May 2016. This is for our slightly delayed 15:25 1 Bravo 78 first Trans-Pennine Express service from Manchester Airport to Cleethorpes, expected past 15:28, even though we're on 28 now. And the reason I've come back here again is because I needed to do Northern is the only, Arriva Rail North is the only stopper at Stallingborough, so I had to come back here in order to get back to Lincoln. So if I could have gotten an East Midlands trains from Stallingborough, I'd have stayed at Stallingborough, but oh well. Here she is. It's 170. We've got. $170, 308. $170, 170, 307 at Cleethorpes, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.